The ultimate docking station. More screens, more speed, more power. Tired of constantly switching between tabs and resizing windows? The StarTech.com USB-C triple 4K monitor docking station transforms your laptop into a powerful multi-screen command center. With support for 3 4K displays via HDMI and DisplayPort, you'll experience a massive boost in productivity whether you're editing, designing, gaming, or crunching numbers. Unlike standard docks that max out at 1 or 2 screens, this dock unlocks full multi-monitor freedom, giving you ultra-crisp visuals and the ultimate workspace upgrade. Say goodbye to cluttered screens and hello to efficiency on steroids. Why fumble with multiple adapters when one all-in-one dock can handle it all? With 12 essential ports, this dock offers 5 USB ports, including 10 gigabits per second USB-C, Gigabit Ethernet for lag-free internet, a 3.5mm audio jack, and 100 watts power delivery to keep your laptop fully charged. Need to connect a mouse, keyboard, speakers, hard drives, and a headset, all at once? No problem. Unlike cheaper docks that slow down when overloaded, this powerhouse maintains peak performance, making it perfect for business pros, content creators, and hardcore multitaskers. Mac? PC? Chromebook? Doesn't matter. This dock is GPU agnostic, working seamlessly with Thunderbolt 3 or 4, and USB-C laptops from brands like Apple, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and Microsoft. Whether you're rocking a MacBook Pro, a Surface laptop, or a ThinkPad, it just works flawlessly. Even M1's M2 MacBooks, notorious for limited external display support, get a triple monitor boost with this dock. No more dealing with driver issues, compatibility headaches, or random disconnects. If you're looking for a future-proof, one-dock solution, this is the only docking station you'll ever need. Speed and durability matter, and this dock delivers both in spades. Powered by DisplayLink technology, USB 3.2 Gen 2, and 100 watts power delivery, it ensures lightning-fast data transfers, ultra-smooth video streaming, and uninterrupted multitasking. Say goodbye to lag, buffering, and slow file transfers. Plus, this dock is built like a tank, designed with premium materials that handle daily wear and tear. Unlike flimsy alternatives that break after a few months, this dock is a long-term investment in reliability and top-tier performance. Whether for work or play, it's the gold standard in docking solutions. This isn't just a docking station, it's a productivity machine that saves you time and money. Instead of spending on extra adapters, chargers, and extension cables, you get an all-in-one powerhouse that does it all. No more wasting time plugging and unplugging devices, just connect once and power through your day. Whether you're working remotely, gaming, or running a business, this dock streamlines your setup, helping you work faster, game harder, and multitask like a pro. Why settle for a basic, underpowered dock when you can upgrade to the ultimate triple monitor, high-speed, future-proof powerhouse?